Welcome back. This is Kevin again, still here at Cisco Live 2026. I wanted to continue highlighting some of the features and functionalities here in the booth. And I'm going to spend interesting development here for troubleshooting. As you can see, we're launching everything from cloud control as being that unified single point of launch and management for all AI infrastructure. And what we've done here is we've brought the ability to bring AI troubleshooting into a agentic ops type agent, right? So it's conversational. So no longer does the OT folks that don't have necessarily technical network experience or access to that device can actually do some troubleshooting. And as you can see here, it's very conversational, very graphic, but it starts giving the ability to change the paradigm of escalation of instances immediately, and gives the agent or the first responder the ability to actually gather data and help close or resolve things. So just think about if I'm an agent and I have a PLC slowdown, and I'm going through, and we'll talk about this here in the demo, but when we go through this, if I have to go and escalate that immediately for, let's say, a cable break, when I could have used the agent to actually solve that. And to do this, we're actually got a series of run books that we train the model on. And these scenarios are going to help us educate the model so they can actually do troubleshooting. So if you think that this, look at this industrial network, and we start thinking about those things that could happen. It could be a bad cable, could be a cable pair break. How do we identify that? So it could get pinched in a door. Lots of things could have happened, and you can see in that image there that cases have been damaged or the shielding has been damaged. And if you think about that, in a traditional way of an operator, they're going to have to start physically tracing, checking switch ports, logging into switches, trying to reset the port, resetting the PLC. And then finally, after they do all that, they're still going to escalate it. And then somebody's got to come back and do some of those steps over. And we're leading to a 90-minute restoration time. And this is a cable problem, right? So what we want to do is we want to accelerate that. And we accelerate that by putting some power inside the agent's hands. So we do that by letting them query and ask questions. So in this scenario here on the right, Elias could actually identify the root cause by using some of the testing and troubleshooting and take that restoration time down to 15 minutes instead of 90 minutes. So this is the huge benefit of this. And if you would love to know more information about this and get involved with some of the trials and tests that are going on with this, we'd love to have you as part of this.